YouTube? We back in it, big twin. Now let me stop. Bro, I'm getting ready to go thrifting with my homie from middle school, my boy Emil. Ain't seen that man since we graduated 8th grade, bro. And when I'm still out here looking a little homeless, head about bogus, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting tired of my health for real though. We finna go thrifting. This is my first time finna go thrifting. Let's see how this go. See if I find some heat up in there. I heard you can find some little nice, little decent shit. Like when you go thrifting. And then I ain't gonna lie, we supposed to been went to go vlogging and shit, but I ain't gonna lie. I stayed up all morning. I ain't go to sleep till probably like 9 in the morning. And then I had to go pick my little brother up from school. You know, big brother duties. And then we supposed to be going to this car meet. Or it's a car meet, but you get content and stuff. We supposed to be going there around like 7. Finna see how that go. First car meet, I ain't gonna lie, doing something new today. Going thrifting. Then a car meet. Boy. Let's see what 2025 got in store for me, boy. And I'm putting on a hat. I don't even know what hoodie I want to put on. It feel good outside, boy. It's a 57 degrees, motherfuckers outside with a skirt on. Who they feeling like? They get a little warm weather. Don't know how to act, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I should put these earrings in, but I don't want to wear the little other ones for. Cause what if I see some of the fine shit, you know, then I gotta hop down. Skill me type shit. But nah, I'm finna go ahead and put these in. I don't really wear these unless I'm going out somewhere. For real, special occasion type shit, you know. But y'all, bro, I've been so tired. I'm finna start a new work schedule. That shit low key. It still suck. I ain't gonna lie, I just got one more off day. And I can work more. I work the same hours. Just longer shifts now. This shit lame. Y'all, I don't even know what hat I want to put on, bro. I'm not even finna throw no shit on for real. Just some calm shit. And then Vontae supposed to be meeting us, but bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, if my life was on the line and I had to ask one homie to do something, Vontae would not be the homie I asked. You could ask this nigga a week in advance and he always got something to do. Bro, I hate putting this in there and getting this up, bro. Y'all finna watch me struggle. But y'all, photo shoot next week. Well, I ain't gonna say next week, but Life of Mile photo shoot / video shoot, boy. I'm finna get cleaned up for that. Ooh. Y'all finna see me struggle, bro. I ain't even got my phone on me. I know he said he on his way. I don't know how fast he drive, but y'all, when I say it's my boy, ain't seen this man middle school. I'm 21. I graduated 8th grade when I was like, I think I was 12 when I graduated. I was either 11 or 12 when I graduated, bro. One of those. I don't want to do the math. Y'all do the math, bro. I don't want to do the math. But y'all know how long that is, bro. 2 new lives. We don't know each other from can to paint no more, for real. I'm finna catch up with my boy. I'm finna finish getting ready. We gotta let the doggies out before I leave and shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm lying. Bro, I stayed up this whole morning to order this breakfast from this place, cause it was good when my homie gave it to me, bro. That shit was nasty, bro. I didn't even finish it. I got 3 pancakes, eggs, turkey bacon, and some hash brown. They hash browns was bogus, didn't have no flavor to it. They gave me a container about this big, not even full of eggs, but I ate the eggs in like 2 bites, bro. And I paid $26 for that. Cause I only paid 26 because I didn't want to get up and go drive and get it. It's only about like 10 minutes from you. I know I was being lazy, but I told y'all I don't like to drive no more, bro. Like that driving shit is not it no more, bro. Especially cause niggas don't know how to drive and they be scared to drive. I just be tired. That's why I got my boy Mill picking me up. I don't know, I want to drive. I literally only drive to work and to get food if I go. That's about it. Boy, I should have put a hat on.
You got a whole fit on?
It's not a fit, bro. He say I got a fit on, bro. I threw anything on. It's just calm, bro. I just threw anything on. I ain't wanna fight my drawers for my jogger pants. So I'm finna just throw some jeans on. Hold on, let me see what laptops they got. I need a new one. What this is? Oh, this is a gaming laptop, bro?
Got one from school for free. Yeah, it's like charging for that bitch.
Nah, I stopped using that. I low key, I got an HP Chromebook, but I want a MacBook. But that Chromebook can't download everything on there that I need. What this is? I'll have my homie edit for me. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause he got a MacBook. And I asked him like, shit, you wanna edit for me? He like, yeah.
You wanna make some quick pay? Let him know. I got some videos.
I asked him cause I'm finna pay him $50 next week. Cause he editing the video for me right now. They ain't got no laptops in here for you, bro. They probably do. I wish my homie still worked up in the. Yeah, they ain't got nothing. Them Chromebooks, I don't want to look at those. I mean, I don't even know what Windows this is. Windows 11. I think that's what I need to edit. Cause I ain't gonna edit my own videos till I get a new laptop. It's just with that, you gotta wait till they edit your shit. Damn, I'm finna buy a drone. Fuck it. Y'all let me buy a drone and fly it around the store. They gonna bend my ass, boy. Damn, I don't even wanna put my face in the camera, boy. I look rough.
One hour later.
Finally have to call me. They finally found somewhere to go. They ain't gonna lie, it's cold as hell, boy. But they just pulled up in this bit, deep as hell, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all finna see. They got some shit out here. This is my first copy ever, y'all. This ain't the last one either.
Oh, this ain't the last
one. This blue rose here. I want a Camaro so bad.
Speed up and shit. There's a line up.
Yeah, that bitch right there. Boy, that bitch loud as hell. That bitch loud as hell. It is cold as hell, boy. Boy, they got some shit lined up out here, boy.
Damn.
They got some shit lined up out here, boy.
Hey, yeah, that might come too.
Yeah, boy, they got some shit up out here. Wait till I get my fast shit.
Damn. Wait, not my shit.
Look, another Hellcat, boy. I want me a Camaro, boy. Alright, y'all. We finna end it right here. And shut it down, as you can see. They got some. It's just the white and blues. Nothing too serious. But yeah, man. A little fun car meet. I'm not gonna lie to you. But hey, I'll type in with y'all real soon.